Friends, something extraordinary has happened. A volcano in Ethiopia located nearly 4,300 kilometers away from Delhi has erupted after almost 12,000 years, yet its ash has managed to travel all the way to India. On the 23rd of November 2025, in Ethiopia's Afar region, the Halegubi shield volcano suddenly erupted. This massive volcanic explosion shot a column of ash 14 kilometers into the sky, spreading a giant grey sheet across the upper atmosphere. Throughout this video, I'll also show you some satellite images that captured this rare event. But the big question is, why did this volcano erupt? What damage has it caused? And how did its ash reach India? Let's break it all down in simple language. What is Halegubi volcano? Halegubi is a shield volcano located in Ethiopia's Afar region, one of the hottest places on Earth, where temperatures often reach 50 degrees Celsius. It lies within the East African Rift Valley, an area where Earth's tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. Scientists say that for the last 12,000 years, this volcano hasn't shown any significant activity. That's why this sudden eruption is considered one of the most unusual events in the history of this region. How the eruption happened. According to experts, a 50 km long wall of magma, known as a magma dike, cracked open underneath the volcano. Hours before the eruption, a 4.7 magnitude earthquake was recorded. The East African Rift is influenced by a superpluma, rising column of extremely hot magma. Deep inside the Earth, increased pressure from this superplume, combined with plate separation, triggered the eruption. Why did ash reach Delhi? This is the part that shocked many people. The ash rose to 14 kilometers, entering the stratosphere, where strong fast-moving winds known as jet streams flow from west to east at speeds of 100 to 130 kilometers per hour. Because the ash reached this altitude, it crossed the Red Sea, moved over Yemen and Oman, then traveled across the Arabian Peninsula, passed through Pakistan, entered Rajasthan, and finally reached Delhi by 11 p.m. on the 24th of November. Satellite data from Toulouse VAC showed the ash cloud drifting between 15,000 and 45,000 feet. Normally, volcanic ash falls within 50 to 100 kilometers of the volcano, but jet stream winds carried it thousands of kilometers. Was there local damage? Close to the eruption site, ash fell on villages like Afar. Thankfully, no deaths have been reported. However, shepherds are worried about their grazing land. Animals may fall sick due to ash-contaminated vegetation. Large amounts of sulfur dioxide were released, which can affect air quality and may cause acid rain eventually, though in small amounts here. The impact is limited.
Impact on flights. Because volcanic ash can severely damage aircraft engines, several flights were halted. Air India's Mumbai-Hyderabad route, Indigo's Kannur-Abu Dhabi flight, Delhi and Jaipur airports also monitored flight paths closely. India's DGCA alerted airlines to remain cautious. Is Delhi in danger? Many people were worried about air quality in Delhi, but scientists say the ash is high in the stratosphere, not near the surface. It will not increase PM2.5 or PM10 levels. Visibility may reduce slightly. The sky may look hazy. Some SO2 may form clouds that bring light rain, which can even help wash away pollution. MD Director Mrutyunjay Mohapatra confirmed that there is no threat to public health from this volcanic ash. Why this eruption matters. Scientists are calling this one of the most remarkable volcanic events in the history of the Afar region. It opens opportunities to study how dormant shield volcanoes reawaken, how rift zone volcanoes behave when tectonic plates move apart, what triggers eruptions after thousands of years of silence. Researchers believe this may not be the last eruption. If Halegubi continues releasing SO2, it may indicate rising magma and more potential activity. Watch conclusion. So friends, this was one of the rarest geological events on Earth. Volcano erupting after 12,000 years and sending its ash all the way to India. But for now, there is no danger for Delhi or the rest of India, and scientists are closely monitoring every development. That's all for today's update. Keep watching Space. Explore for more such fascinating explanations of natural and space-related events.